Yo, boy with a dream, how you doing? Or boy with dream. I always get that wrong. What's up? How you doing? How's it going? Hmm. Cool. I give up. All right. So, made a lot of progress over the past week on the set dressing of Thyrus. Unfortunately, it's a lot. And I ran out of credits on Midjourney, and that sort of halted finishing that. So we can take a quick look at what I have done though. So let's go ahead and jump over to production. Let me fix my nose rings. Ooh, what are you doing, Giles? Get off Carol. That's an HR nightmare right there. So let's do New game just to reset things. And let's jump into Thyrus. Oh. All right. First off, when I ran out of credits, I started recording the rest of the voiceovers. So you'll hear me and my voiceover work, which I can still continue, but there's other stuff I want to do tonight.
May I help you, sir?
Hello, sir. I'm Dr. Graham Milford.
May I help you, sir?
Yes. Sorry, I'm pretty sure I'm in the right place. Mr. Salverson sent me here to continue some research.
Mr. Milford, I see here you. A permanent badge will. Here are your keys. Do not. Here is your CNC. Do not.
Thank you, sir. I hope you have a great day.
Nailed it. There's some of my voiceover work. But yeah, so you'll see we finished a lot. We finished the entire left side of the grid. We have our waste disposal office. We have our power grid office. Doing a lot of power stuff over here. We have our rocket, which is doing its fire thing, which you can see better from the other side, but we have our microscopic office, whatever goes on there. We have my office, which is a mess. Then we have our giant fish tank office, which is animated nicely. Bunch of water filter pumps, I'm guessing. And then we have John's office, which is pretty cool. We got his mech boot there. Got some cool display screens. And his CNC router, hard at work. And then we did this cool telescope office here. So that's good. And then, yeah, I got done with Jeannie's office, which I posted in. Is that thing back? Why is this here? Oh shit, the wrong one. Jeannie's office I posted in Discord. But that's where I had to stop. Because I tried to do her neighbor's office, which is going to be like genetically altered food. But wasn't able to do that. But we got Jeannie's office right here that is full of her chemistry gear and then having her blasted with a flamethrower, which is what happens to her. Kind of just showing that she's fireproof, which is great because she becomes a character you can play as, and that is very helpful when you're going around hazards and stuff. You can use her to walk through fire and other things. That was very hard to cut out and make transparent specifically. Still considering whether I should make it so you can walk in here. Probably. Which I don't need to do that right now. But yeah, so here, this is where I'm going to put the genetically altered food being grown in like a scientific hydroponic system going on in here. And then we got to figure out what to do with these two. And then this top right one here is Iona's. So this is her genetic engineering. Oh wait, no, shit. I have to finish out what to do with those four. This one is the genetic engineering office for Iona. So I'll figure out that. That's where her character ends up going after you talk to her. And then I can figure out that one. So, anyways. Yep, did that. Bunch of voiceover work. So I need to do the Bylon voiceover. I still have a bunch of Easter egg cutscenes that I want to do for all the NPCs that are going to be here. So I'll probably have to record some more once I get those in. But I want to finish the map first before I add all the NPCs. So.
Hello, Mr. Milford. Ahem.
Oh, I'm sorry. Can I help you?
Hello, Mr. Milford.
Oh, hello.
It's Dr. Negrescu. I'll be showing you to your
I also
station and getting you on board.
changed
Follow me,
from the
please.
like DR period, MR period to doctor.
I can't help but notice how fast you walk.
It's great. Great voice
sorry,
acting.
I lost track of my velocity at times. It's part of my Patreon enhanced biomechanics.
Yeah, anyways.
It allows a subject to function.
That's what we got
at
going on
times
right
the
now.
Capacity of their average.
Now, I have until literally a week from today. That's when I'll be able to start generating images again to finish off the set dressing. So in the meantime, I want to get everything else pre-boss fight done. And that's going to be the main thing is getting the weapon system finished. Which is fine. We'll do it. So let's do that. So basically, we have collecting working, but oh, I probably need to delete that on new game. Hold on. Why is that showing up? Let's double check. I thought they had current weapons. Yeah, so that is getting deleted. So why is that showing up then? It's probably because that's the weapon that I selected for Graham, but he shouldn't be able to use it yet. Well, let's figure it out. Where is storage? Storage template. I do not know. What the fuck? Explore storage. Oh. Oh yes, yeah, this is right. So I know I have the selected items. So the main reason that I need to put the selected items, the character items, in the storage, even if they're hidden, is because I need to be able to reference them when you're choosing that character. But that comes with an issue, obviously. And the fact that I also need to be able to collect weapons that you can't use until you collect them. So that is a problem. Which, honestly, you should have to collect all your weapons other than fist. Your fists come with your body. That being said, I should probably ditch the whole character weapon then. And just make you collect it. I think my main thing was I don't want everybody being able to use every weapon. Hey, sorry, do not speak that language, but thanks for showing up and messaging. Appreciate it. Right. So like I wanted to limit certain weapons to certain people. Sorry. Sometimes my laptop stand is a little annoying. Great product though. Highly suggest you buy it. So how am I doing this again? I'm getting the current characters. Here's my characters. Getting all the characters. I'm going through the characters and getting their weapon choices. And then I'm literally adding them to the storage. So that's where I shouldn't do that. Yeah, there's just eye issues happening. First it's fucking eyelashes, and now just watering. Like I said, great. Sorry, I wish I could translate that. Courage, what's going on? Thank you. My Tam. I wear this sometimes. It's a pretty comfortable hat. I am Scottish, and Orbem is very based in Scottish vibes. So not completely random. Random for people showing up on stream, but yeah. Okay. So I'm thinking I don't ditch. character choices, but I don't do it like this. I think I simply need to figure out a way of selecting weapons without it being in the storage item. No, that's not true. I need to collect every weapon that is selected. Doesn't exist, they have to use fists. So then this whole logic needs to go. There's no reason for it. Because this is actually putting the item in the storage, which is probably what's fucking everything up. So in that case, and I think I already put the weapon choice in the character themselves, right? Weapon choice. Yeah, that's like part of the person. Okay, so then yeah, let's just ditch this then. This whole thing can go. I don't need this at all, which means I don't need this at all, I think. Which means I don't need this at all. Good. Saving code. All right, let's see if that fixes the this random katana showing up issue. Probably will. Yeah. So now there's no weapons. Now I do want fists to show here always, which I thought that's how it works. It should default. Current weapons should always have fist. Yeah, see, default weapon. That's storage. Oh wait. Current weapon. Should always have fist in it, I think. Let me see if that does anything. No. Oh. Yeah, because it's technically here, but the image isn't showing up for some reason. No, yeah, there's nothing here. It's empty. I also realized that you can click on anything and it'll try to... Let me see. I'm gonna need to fix that. Oh shit! What did I just do? No! Stop things. Oh. Stop. I don't know why I just did that. Okay. Select weapon. Weapon. Select. You're about to go. All right. Glad you're doing great. I'm doing great. Got you next one, my friend. Thanks so much for jumping on. Appreciate it. Weapon choice. Storage tab. Let's see if there's a click event here for the weapons. No. Oh, this is just for the tabs. What about for the actual? Use remove item from storage. So that's drop. Remove item from storage. Save storage. Here's the save storage. Show item description. This is basically what gets hit. All right, here we go. Yeah, menu item, click, show item description. Yeah, so I need to check if what I'm clicking on is empty or not. So menu item, storage item. Basically, if the text content is empty or whatever, inner HTML. Menu item. I guess I could do text content. So if this is empty. Or not empty. Right? Let's try something like that. You have a good day too, my friend. Good night for me, and have a good day for you. All right, let's see if it tries to grab item description now. It does. Why? Yeah, this is like I'm just creating it on the fly. And I still don't know why equip will not be correct here. I really don't understand why the text isn't showing up for equip button. I don't get it. Like it refuses. Text content. Equip. Create. Create. Equip button. Equip button. I mean, the button shows up. It just doesn't have the text. And everything else has text. No, wait. It's not equip, it's drop, right? Which one doesn't show up? It's unequip. Yeah, why does unequip not show up? Unequip. 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 The button shows. Huh. Unequip. Unequip. Unequip text content. Oh, I'm an idiot. Womp. Well, that would explain it. I was resetting it right there. Boom. Okay, now we got it right. Okay, anyways, that doesn't matter. Why is this still not stopping? Well, because it looks like I have two different ones. Is this? What is this? Store, explore item. Oh, because it's a new item. I don't know. Well, let's do the same thing, I guess. If that does not equal text content, just in case this is the reason. Cool. Oh, let's do that. Maybe it's not compiling. It's possible. No, it's compiling. It is not possible. Well, that is fixed, but it's still trying to show items that don't have a description or that empty. All right, well, let's see what we're getting here. Maybe it's not empty. Could be undefined. Oh, shit. Just acting like it doesn't need to be compiled. God. What are you getting? Looks like it's nothing. I don't know what that means. Okay. What about... I don't know. This might be a dumb way of doing this. Hold on. So it's just all storage items. What if... I kind of need to see what one looks like with something. You know what I mean? That would be more helpful. Here's weapons. This should have fist in it. Apparently it does not. Oh, duh. Data empty true. If true does not equal that, data set empty. Ta-da! I forgot I had that. Because I'm wicked smart. Data set empty. True. Okay, well that should stop that, but it shouldn't matter either. I guess that. Okay, data set empty. That should stop it from doing that, but that's not fixing my issue with fist. Why isn't fist showing up as a weapon? Oh, default weapon. Still, that's not working, right? All right. Yeah, so it's going items, nothing, weapons, fist. Just don't think that's how it works. I think I need more. The click thing's working though, so that's good. Yeah, I kind of need to see what it looks like when there is something, maybe, and I'm just not doing the right format. I know what it expects, because what it expects is type, and then the items. And the items, oh yeah, that's right. So I have like ID. I need all the storage or default weapons shit. So maybe I need to actually grab the default weapon and like put the ID and put all this shit for it. Item ID. Right, because it's getting it by ID. And it's putting all the shit it needs from ID. So I think what I need to do is this ID equals, you know, but it also has character and type and subtype possibly, which are all things I think you can get from the actual thing. All right, but let's default weapon arms equals get post name default weapon post per page 1. Right. Something like that. And this just needs character. Like it doesn't, yeah, it might not have a character. And also type weapons, which is weird. But sure. Well, that worked. What? Still nothing. Interesting. Still not showing. Oh, well, let's see if storage is actually changing. No, it's not. Storage is storage. Hey, Andrew, how's it going? Day's going all right. You know, Mondays are fun. Just trying to speed run through and finish this damn demo. I'm really, really trying to release this game engine ASAP, so sooner I have the POC of the demo for people to play and see what's capable of, the sooner I can start working on that and marketing and finishing that shit up. So I don't know what current weapons is supposed to be like. I think it's just nothing, but it shouldn't matter. Okay, so we're going through here. Storage type, blah, blah, blah. We're getting the ID from the item, which I have right here. ID. Oh. I get it. This needs to be an array. There we go. That's what I was missing. Yep. Okay, hold on. That should work now. Yeah. There we go. What? What is this image it chose? Oh no. Is that the image I chose for fist? Like, what the fuck? Hold on. I don't know, maybe locally I did. Cool. It's good. It's good. Good image. Let's double check where it's getting the image from though. Current weapon, blah blah blah. Image. Okay, it's just getting it from the item ID. Alright, so it should be fine. Okay, cool. So now we have fist showing up by default. And oh, it's getting the wrong ID. So get post is getting the wrong ID. Hold on. Post name is default. What am I doing for default weapon? Maybe I'm doing the wrong. I might be using the ID for default weapon. No, fist. Okay. That's a slug. Which is post name. Get post, post name, fist. Post per page, 1. I always get this wrong. Hold on. I'm just going to look up what I have been doing for that. Get posts. No, not that one. Here we go. Post type, maybe? Name. Alright, that's my bad. Post per page is still good, but post type equals explore weapon name. Alright, that should do it. I always mix that shit up. This should now be showing the freest. Yep, there we go. Now you can drop, unequip, and equip. Cool. But you can't drop the fist. But no reason to put logic into getting rid of that. Cool. So that's good. But now we need to collect the katana and make sure that's working. Yeah, because items. Should probably remove these buttons if you switch item tabs. And in fact, I need to figure out yeah, like show item description. It creates these buttons, but does it delete buttons that already exist? I do not think so, because I'm just adding random. Yeah. So I should be deleting anything that's already there. Meaning I need to give these IDs or something, classes. Class list dot add item button. And I'll do the same thing for all these. Cool. I'll start by deleting all item buttons then. Item buttons. Maybe we should call them storage. Item button. I feel like item button is a little bit too generic. Button, remove. Or she blows. Okay, cool. So now it's deleting at least before you select another one. I also need to do the same thing for other scenarios. So maybe we need a util for this, but yeah, I also want to do it when you equip a new item. Probably delete this after you equip an item, but let's actually double check. Unequip. Yeah, so that's getting hit for equip and drop. So this probably needs to get hit here. And then we can do this here. Alright. So that's if you click any of the buttons, it'll ditch the buttons. That's just the buttons, actually. That's not the item description as well, which is here. Oh, I should just do item description. My bad. I don't know why I just did that. Let's replace this. With const item description document dot get element by ID. Oh, item description. Sure. And then we'll do item description. If item description, delete it. Here. Remove. All right, let's look for this now. Whoops. Wait, what? Didn't I just remove all these? I guess I didn't. Item buttons. Oh, shit. Gimme. Item button. You. Go. You. Go. Alright, there we go. So that's for that. And then probably switching tabs should also do that. So menu, tab. That's doing that. I need to click event. Let's go to the top. Yeah, there we go. Here's the click event. Let's do this. Okay. Cool. So nothing here should do anything. This should. What? What? Inner HTML, new item description. Ah. It's because I'm removing it before creating a new one. So wait, what's description? Oh shit. Looks like I'm not deleting item description. I'm just clearing it out. Good to know. Okay. Let's try that again. Should have created a util. This is why. But I'm not smart. Yeah, okay. That should work now. womp. Still canceling. What? What did I do? Did it not compile? I'm just clearing it out. Oh, there's an error. What did I do? I did... oh. I screwed that up. Well, it's better than it being wrong. Broken's better than wrong. Fix broken. Can't fix wrong very easily. Try again. Go. Go. Yay. So now if I switch, they go away. Come back. Great. Okay. So now let's collect the katana now that the menu's working properly. And start working on that. Still don't know how I want to handle... No, I know how I want to handle the logic. I need to create images with me holding the sword. That will be what I do. But for now, let's collect this. Cool. I also need to figure out what happened to my sound effect for collecting things. I feel like it went away. Hey, there we go. Though the katana showed up here instead of... Interesting. Well, I guess the newest one shows first. Okay. So, weapons. And now we can select it. Traditional Japanese sword with average power and reach. And now I can equip. Boop. Ta-da. And now we have a sword. Okay. Which, right now, swinging has like built-in fighting logic, which I need to figure out how to rewrite. All right, for now, if you have the sword equipped, I need to start using sword images. Let's get that working first. So to do that, nope, I need to go to local. To do that, I need to upload one. So I'll go to my handy dandy Graham. I'll go down to my handy dandy character images, which are now... It's nice to have the preview. Oh, I already have them. Okay, so I'll just turn into a katana apparently. That's what I assumed I would do. Okay, cool. Let's just do that then. This is just all the drag and walking. So the main thing is this now just has the weapon name in it. And I need to figure out actually how that works. So, like static, I have the katana, then I should be using the katana image. So to do that, I think I can actually take advantage of a util I already use for getting character images. Character images right here. So I have all these, right? And the images in this array come from this. Now, did I create a new one? Wait. Character images. Okay, so yeah, I have weapon images now, which is separate. So I need to actually combine those. Yeah, by default, it's main character, explore character. Oh shit. Wait, what is it? Explore weapon images. Yeah. Okay. And then I need to basically array merge these. Images equals array merge images, weapon images. All right, so that should work. And now I'll need to make this more dynamic using weapon choice, which I already grab. No, that's like your default weapon. I don't want that. So now I'll need to loop through with the weapon and add to this array. This is pretty annoying. Yeah, because I have all these defaults in case they don't exist. Just can't think of a better way of doing this. Oh. Well, that's basically what this is. I think the main thing I was trying to do was give it a default empty. But I can handle that on the back end. So I mean, it's basically just images. So like direction images is images. All right. That should be good enough. Okay, so let's see if all the images with the katana shows up now. So I have MC static down. Cool, drag up. Now do I have katana images in here? That's fight image. Yep, here it is. MC static katana. Cool. Perfect. So now it should be exactly the same thing. It just ends with the weapon. So now I need to do that somehow. So I basically need to look at what is here, which is a katana, which does not say the name, unfortunately. Though I do think it says equipped in here. Yeah, data false. Oh, fist shows up first. Data empty false, title comma. Okay, yes, is equipped. Okay. So I can look at the storage item weapons equipped to get the equipped weapon. And then that's what I use for the images. Okay, but how do I do that on load? Because I think I just defaulted to static. Let's go to here. Let's go to images. Yeah, so here's the character images. And then I think start direction, right? That determines how I start. So maybe I can use the same kind of logic for weapons. Like start Direction. Right. Like I do this. And I should also do weapon. If it's not fist. Weapon. Data start left. Oh. Yeah, it's just a starting position. How do I know what it is though? Data weapon. Equipped weapon. Okay. So if that is not fist, then it goes here. Right. Explore weapon start. And we'll basically do the same thing here. Explore start direction. Explore weapon start equals fist. It's not equal. Then that. Like that. Otherwise, nothing. I think that's how I do it. We'll see. If I turn into a katana right now, then it worked. Yay. Okay. So it works on load now. But now I need to know that to use that for the different directions. Okay, cool. Good. That will work. And I'm glad it works, just having the name of the weapon at the end. Okay, so now we need to do like directional movement image swapping. Which I don't even remember. It's got to be part of the Miro explore position. That's got to be part of the movement, right? Movement. Where's the image moving? Shit. Is it here? This is the movement. Is it here? This is set coordinates. Oh, set static. I mean, yeah. Direction. Oh shit. Yeah, it's dragging. But I think weapons at the end. Is dragging plus current weapon. Window dot current weapon. Okay. So maybe we'll make a global that will define that. Because this is just for static. I need it for walking too. Which I think how do I do weapon definition? So here's weapon. And this is just on load, right? Yeah. So here's weapon. Map weapon, current weapon. But how do I know what the weapon is? The weapon. Spell name, spell type. Is it from... Why is it spell? That's spell. Okay. Yeah, current weapon. That's different. Okay, that's all for spells. Oh, this is for spells. Okay. And here's the weapon. All right, where am I saying what the weapon is? Hold on, let me reload. So I am a katana, which is cool. But then, like, where's my... This is me. Here's my weapon. Yeah, so map weapon, data weapon. Okay. So on load, yeah, that's what I'll do. On load, so these are just events for me to be able to select my shit. But I need to define on load, so define current weapon for images, basically. So window dot current weapon equals weapon dot data set dot, what was it, type weapon. Okay. Oh no, we need to do this. So if fist does not equal that, then we need to do the same thing, basically. This weapon.dataset.weapon. Otherwise, nothing. Which, you know, is going to be the same shit. It's just now during weapon selection, we need to define this as well. We also probably need to define this for new area, I'm guessing. No, it should carry over. It's a window variable. Yeah, should be fine. Okay, let's see if this works. Because right now, it should stay as the weapon that I have, which is the katana. So I should be able to just walk around as a katana. So my katana. No. Hold on. Try again. Okay, why is that not working? That's a log window dot current weapon. Maybe this isn't what I think it is. Let's double check. All right, what do we get? Undefined. Well, that'll do it. So apparently this doesn't mean shit on load. Oh, well, no. Dataset weapon is wrong, obviously. So wait, what's the ID weapon? It's ID. Oh, this is map weapon. I need map weapon, not ID weapon. Oh, I think this is ID weapon down here. And this doesn't have shit. Yeah. This doesn't have anything. Okay. That's why I'm screwed up. So let's do this. Wait, where is map weapon? Right here. But that changes probably, so I should always define that. Whatever. Let's define it again on load. Yeah. Okay, so the weapon is what I need. The weapon. I mean, I could just name the fucking weapon, but why make things easy? Alright, this will work now. So confident I won't even have console logs. Why would I? Alright, here we go. Go. And now I am a katana. No, it did not work. Shit. Alright, what is going on? Map, weapon. Okay, the weapon, dataset, weapon should now be katana. Which should now be that. So let's see. The weapon. Window dot current weapon. Okay, let's try this again. My confidence was unfounded. Eh? It's not compiling? What the fuck? Oh. Yeah. Katana. Correct. And yet, it's not working. It's not using the katana versions. Okay, hold on, let's figure out that. Alright, well, we know this is working. So now let's go back to the, why am I doing this? Why do I keep doing this? How do I keep doing this? I don't know. Okay. Window, yeah. Dot current weapon. Okay. If that does not equal direction, so I'm guessing this is just wrong. Static ID. Set static ID. Oh yeah, where is this happening? Is this happening on walk? It's entering a new area. Is this not the right one? Stop walking. No, this is right. Alright, so what's going on here? I feel like this is right. But maybe not. So static ID. It's getting rid of all this extra shit. Which is correct. So that's fine. So this should be correct. Yeah. Well, let's find out. I guess maybe if that does not equal is dragging. So is dragging is not empty, then use the dragging direction as direction. Unless it is empty, then dragging. Yeah, okay. So yeah, this should be pretty much good. Katana. Alright. No, yeah, it's not getting katana. Interesting. Meaning what? Current weapon isn't working? Should be. I did check that already. Right? Because window.current weapon is katana. Meaning that should be static left katana. I mean, I might just have to add this like here instead, you know, because technically I don't care about a direction. Let's try that too. Do you have the strength? There we go. Katana. I am now a katana. Great. Now I need to get the walking images working, which is different. Same thing though. I just need to add this little current weapon. Walking. So Miro Explore. Where am I doing the images? Am I doing the images? Images. Am I doing it here? It's for dragging. Clean class name. Key down true. Where are the images happening? I have to backtrack and figure it out. So we have the stop, which is stop walking. Stop walking. What about when I'm walking? Key down. Here's a movement in. Key down. Shit is happening. It's telling me what I'm doing. It's moving me. But where do I set the images? User coordinates. Button show. Yeah, whatever. So this is all the touch start things just telling me which way I'm going, and then this actually moves me. Is it part of the block movement, or is it in here? Okay, maybe it's part of the block movement function. Here's main character. No. Is it in the get block direction? Maybe. No. No. Okay. Then it must be in Miro Explore. And I didn't think it was in there though. Images. Where do I define my images? I mean, here I can do .src. That's for walking sound. That's curtain weapon. Audio. Oh, here we go. No, that's new character. That's just switching our images. Oh, I guess I'm not changing the SRC. I don't know why I thought I was. Ooh, that's actually, I need this change weapon. Window.current weapon equals selected title. Yeah, nice. And I can switch it back. Oh, wait. If that's not fist. Fist does not equal like the title that. Otherwise that. Okay, that's good to know. Yeah, not what I need right now. I want where I switch my walking images. What's this? What? Wave boss, shooter, projectile. Oh, is this it? No, it's transition speed. Where's my image swapping? I guess I can just look up I'm trying to think of what I can look up to find it. Might be it's yeah, like what are my images called again? They're called map character. Is that what it is? Yeah, map character icon. That's what I need to look up. Map character icon. Here we go. So that's changing the direction I'm facing. Which I think... Yeah, that's for static. That's fine. Set static. Oh. Current image needs to switch. That's for punch. I don't need that. Oh, actually, yeah. I definitely need to figure that out because this is for punching and for hitting using the weapon. So this is actually, I need to remember this exists because I'm gonna have to do something with this. But that's not what I need right now. Block movement. Yeah, this is my actual image. That's what I have this for. Drag item. Current movement image. Move character. Oh, new static image. Think that this is fine. I might need to add current weapon to this as well. Oh, I'm switching that with that plus window.current weapon. All right, it's good to find that as well. Direct character, maybe. Yeah, new image. Window.current weapon. Maybe. That's a new image. Here's the current image, new image. Okay, this might be it. Direct character. But I'm gonna keep going just in case. Quit button. It's fine. Alright, I think this is it. I think I did what I can. Yeah. Okay. Let's give it a shot. This is NPC. Okay. Let's see if I can walk as a katana now. If I can, I'll call it a night. Not that anybody's watching. Damn. Still not working. So I'm not hitting the right image change. Why is that? What the fuck? Where do I define which? Well, where am I doing the direction L? So I think it has something to do in the same spot as the direction. Let's go to map character. Maybe it's around there. Stop walking function. It's the opposite of what I want. That's the actual moving. This is the moving again. This is on key up. Main character L. Where the fuck do I define the images? Why is this hard? Should not be so hard. Oh shit. Transport, drag, transport, hazard, hurt animation, push. Enter new area. Select a new character. Runner. Map character position. Wait, is this it? No, it's shoot projectile. Move enemy. Scroll into view. No. God damn. Where am I doing the direction class? I'm also doing something else. I'm doing the class, static, I really wish I had a better memory. I think I'm doing the same place I'm doing data direction. Maybe it's data set dot direction. It's not key up. Where am I setting it? So here's player direction. That's for shooting. That's projectile shit. Oh, here we go. This is setting the attribute. Oh wait, is this it? Oh shit, I think this is it. This is it. Aha, I found it. I need to add it here. Aha, ha, 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 ha. No. Dot. Current weapon. Let's add this to all of these. Fantastic. And this is not the driest thing in the world. I could be adding just one big variable, but right now I'm just trying to launch the shit. Alright, I think we got it. Fucking finally, dude. Okay, here we go. I will now be a katana while I walk. Yay. I am katana. They call me katana. Yes, I understand. Hitting punch right now as a katana is not good. Okay, let's see if I switch to fist, if it'll actually switch me back. No. It does not care. Let me see why. I need that to work. Current weapon. It's fist. And I thought, hold on. Current weapon. Okay, so current weapon didn't get updated when I selected a new image. I mean, a new item. Select storage item. Engage character selection. What is it? Storage. Menu item, show description. Oh, it's going to be in the equip function. Equip button. Here we go. Equip new item. If it's a weapon, then it gets updated. That's only if it's a weapon, though. If selected item and data character equals current character, and selected item and data set character and undefined character, blah 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 blah. Okay, I don't know what that means. It's probably something to do with you can't select an item that is somebody else's. Okay, equip new item. So I need to know what type. Yeah, so if the type is weapon, then I need to change that. If weapon equals type, then window.current weapon equals fist does not equal Is that the item ID only? Shit. Is it giving me the ID? Oh no. Then I'm gonna have to do it out here. Because I need the title. Yeah, I need this. If... Damn. Well, let's just do it here then. Yeah. This is name. Name, then name, otherwise nothing. All right, let's see if that works. If I can switch back. Oh, what was that? Host name of null. Motherfucker. It's because I used the current weapon. Alright. I'm calling it a night. We did what we were supposed to. We got Katana to be the new images. Okay, cool. Hey, thanks everybody for hanging out for as long as you did. Andrew, appreciate you jumping on and asking about my day. Courage the Cowardly Dog, also appreciate you. Hope you have a great day at work. Can't pronounce your name, but thanks for jumping on and giving me a comment. Boy with Dream, thanks for saying hello. Always appreciate you jumping on for a bit. And anybody watching in the future or, you know, thinking about it, then I appreciate you. And yeah, stay tuned. We are getting pretty damn close. I'll keep doing as much as possible on this until my credits come back, and then we'll finish setting the setting Thyrus up. And I have a feeling maybe 2 more weeks. I feel like we might be able to finish this in 2 more weeks. Or at least get to the boss fight, which would be a big win. But yeah. Thank you so much. And I'll catch you probably tomorrow. Goodbye.